Hey guys, welcome back to No Matter Garage. We are here at the 2023 Living Faith Car Show.
Listen, can you feel any heat coming off these flames here?
What?
Can you feel the heat coming off the flames?
No. No, they're just painted on.
Not real?
No, they're painted on.
Really?
Yeah.
That's frightening. Is that frightening? Hop in there and say, that's frightening.
Just definitely putting sunglasses on to go with it. That is frightening.
You're videoing. I'm interrupting your video.
Oh, you're in the video now.
Come join you guys. How you doing? My name is Mark Dugan. I'm the associate pastor here at Living Faith Church, and youth ministries is the main gig for me, and I get to do a little bit of everything. It's a lot of fun.
This is the 2022 Ford Mustang.
Is it your favorite car here?
I don't know.
Say yes.
For one of them, you know that.
You don't like it?
I do like it. I do, but I like the Dodge Challengers as well.
Oh, okay. All right. Hey, a fellow wagon guy. So, can you tell us a little about your wagon here?
Sure. I bought it 23 years ago. Bought it for $100 out of South Dakota. And Dad said, time for you to learn how to build a car. So this was the 6-year build aftermath.
Wow. You bought it for $100.
Bought it for $100 out of South Dakota. It was gray with wood grain and with the roof rack, the official Griswold mobile.
Yeah, you didn't want to go with the wood grain?
We drove for a while, but I grew up with these cars, and so there's no. So we took out the Olds 307 that had run out of engine oil, and we put an Olds 403 small block, punched it out to 410, running about 400 horse with a 411 positive rear end.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this must get up and go.
It gets up and goes. Yeah, it's fun.
Wow.
Yeah, it's real fun.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, you bet.
What do you think of this convertible?
It's pretty nice.
Could you see yourself in that convertible?
Riding in it, not driving it.
Really? You couldn't? Why not driving it?
I could see myself driving that.
The Mustang?
Maybe.
How's the show going?
This is a great show.
Great show.
Great in the shade, isn't it?
Yep.
Pretty nice.
Now, are you the owner of this? Or?
I am.
Oh, okay. Can you tell us a little about your car?
Well, that's a 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee. It's the last year of the Super Bee in the muscle car era, and the only year that it's on the Charger platform. And it's a beautiful butterscotch.
It is beautiful. These are fairly rare, aren't they? I don't see many of these around.
No, you don't see many of them around. I think they made about 5,000 of them in 1971, and most of them got wrapped around a tree or something. So you don't see many of them anymore.
How can it wrap around a tree?
Going too fast.
Yeah. That is a nice car. Nice car.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Ooh, now here's an older car. Wherever. Here we go, Nomad Garage. This is a fully restored, legit 55 Nomad. Hey, can you tell us a little about your car?
Oh yeah, 55 Nomad. I've had it for like 30 years.
And you bought it like in boxes, right?
Bought it in pieces. Yeah, it was pretty. They said everything was there, and it was like interior was there, but I had to put the glass in it, and I had it sprayed at 90. So it's 35-year-old paint. It's really it came out nice.
It's
Starter panel was a 57. He made it into a 55.
That's amazing.
It's amazing. He measured it.
Wow.
But yeah, it's kind of a cool car. It's got all the options: the power windows, and it's got the factory air, Wonder Bar radio.
Power windows.
It's like the seat sits up so high that when you lane change, you're kind of at the headliner position.
It's got the wood
Nomads are restored to originality. The seats are called waffle seats. They have that waffle texture.
Yep.
The door panels and everything is See, these Nomads are notorious for having all sorts of pits from the sand and stuff. So he ground all this stuff out and replated this. There's not a pit. Usually these things are all. I've never seen a nicer one, but that's because they got sent out to redo them. So I couldn't stand it because they bow in here and they actually straighten them out. At least out of California did that.
Yeah.
I bought these brand new from Chevrolet. They were available. NOS. But center one wasn't available, so I had to get it sent to me, and then they ended up replating it. It came cast. What? But other than that, and Porky's gave me the hat, gave me the plate. This car was their 50th anniversary. It was down at Porky's for World Wheels in 04. Yeah, the 50th anniversary. So yeah, it's everything was pretty up in originality. Got the factory tips on there for the exhaust.
These are factory tips. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, thanks, yeah. I do enjoy talking about it because it's a very rare car. You don't see them.
This is Nissan. I'm here with.
Mr. Radich.
All right, Mr. Raditz. What kind of a car is this?
Mrs. Raditz is a 2008 Mustang Bullet.
Nice. How long have you had this car for?
3 years.
3 years. Nice. Do you like it?
She loves this car. She let me bring it to the car show today.
She trusted you enough to let you drive this all the way over here?
She made me clean it.
Yeah, you gotta sit
All right, so how are you enjoying the car show?
Pretty.
Pretty good. This is embarrassing. Right?
It's good. It's good. You know, it's been good. I don't know anything about cars though, so my dad over here, Mr. Cool Jones,
He's got the Bullet Mustang.
yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
cool. We've gotten to riding it before. My mom is crazy with the Mustang. My dad's pretty chill.
Your mom what?
My mom is crazy with the Mustang. She does all
Crazy.
kinds of
What do you mean?
burnouts.
Define that. Like she drives crazy with it?
Yeah. We've ridden
Drives
before.
fast with it?
Yes. Yeah. My dad gets kind of mad at her for all the burnouts. He says he can't afford all her burnouts.
What? She does burnouts in it? No way.
Yeah, she
I can neither confirm nor deny, but she does. She does.
She's not afraid of speed. She says like one of her bucket list things is to drive like a race car or something, like a NASCAR.
The NASCAR track.
Yep. All right. Well, it's been fun.
Thanks for coming to the show. And what are you going to say? Something about click and subscribe?
Oh yeah! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can always be updated on the next latest content of the No Matter Garage. See you later!
Did you pick a car yet for the pastor's choice?
I did. It's a 2015 Subaru Forester. It's up over in the parking lot over there. But it's not that blue wagon over there with the silver top. No, that one just doesn't cut it.
Okay, is that car you chose is that entered in the car show?
Why isn't it all
No, it's mine.
Nope, your car doesn't count.
Okay, you've already picked the car.
He's just not saying.
You'll hear it.
You can't divulge
I can't
that
divulge it.
information until the appropriate time.
Correct.
Beatles, oh, I love the Beatles. The Beatles are the most.
I was like, good for you, Steven. I told her to. She wasn't mad at anything. She's literally like, good. She was.
What's your favorite car here?
Either that Scatback, the 79 Camaro over there, or the Raditz Mustang. It's a it's the black one all the way down there.
What's your second favorite?
The Trans Am.
Where the heck have you been?
Is it your car?
I've been working.
Oh, I know. No, I'm talking to your son.
Oh. Say hi
Yeah,
to
this is my car.
say hi to the audience, Dana.
Hello.
What's your car here?
Nova.
It is a 72 Chevy Nova.
What motor is it?
No,
Ford. It's a Ford motor, isn't it?
no. It's 396 Chevy motor.
Oh, that's a nice convertible. There's Jordan's car. Oh, look at this. My favorite cars. This is beautiful. This one would be on my bucket list right now.
should put a B. In the inside part of the headlight, there's nothing. It's just an air thing that goes through. Then air goes in to the
It's
engine.
one of my favorite cars here, the AMX Javelin. It's got the cool sign on there.
You have $5. Then he needs $5
Right now. The 428 Cougar.
That's my second favorite car. This one right
This
here.
one right here?
Yeah.
Where's Burt Reynolds?
Oh, it's got the tops that come off.
Yeah, it's a T-top.
Yeah. I think it's like 79 maybe. I don't know.
Nope. Guess again.
This is 79.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm mistaken.
I like the vents. They're cool.
You like the big bird on the?
Yeah.
He used to call us the fire chicken.
You gotta put your arm around her, pretend like you
Hey
love
guys,
her. You don't have to pretend.
how are you enjoying the show? You like the show?
Oh yeah, it's a great time today.
Thanks for coming today.
Yeah.
Where'd you drive?
From Somerset, Wisconsin.
Okay, you came from Somerset. What car did you drive?
We drove a Subaru.
A Subaru.
We don't have a.
You don't have a class?
We don't have. We're here for the music mostly,
Yeah.
and look around at the cars.
All right. Well, thanks for coming.
I got this butterfly thing. Thank you.
You got it.
Yes,
You put
I
it
did.
on.
I
That's
did. It's on my
fantastic.
shirt now.
How's this little guy doing?
Did you know that he entered in a car as well? Did you know he entered in a car as well?
Thanks everyone for joining us. See you in the next episode.